UNITY programmers, welcome back in my tutorial. I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create animation for how can we come out from the pit using Unity without using any line of code. So how can we do this? Just take a look what we are going to make. Okay, so let's start to make our today's animation. So you can see I have the shoes scan 1 assets, and I downloaded the AJ character from the Mixamo. So if you are new and you don't know how to download the character and the animation clip from the Mixamo, then don't worry, I'm going to tell you. Just go to the Google and at the search box just write the Mixamo and choose this character here, the Mixamo. When you click on it, click on this character AJ, you will get this window. So after choosing your character, just go to the animation and choose which animation you want to download. When I'm choosing this one, so you can see it will automatically doing this action. You can see he's starting doing this samba dancing, something like this, you can see. So come back to the Unity here. So here I choose these 3 animations clip. First one is, you can see here, first one is the AJ freehand climb animation clip, and the second one is the AJ idle, and the third one is the idle to raised hang animation clip. So you have also download these 3 animation clips. Now just go back to the scene over here. Now I want that shoes as a pit, and our character will come out from this pit. So let's start to make. How can we do this? First I'm going to delete my character. Here you can see I have the AJ. So now here you can see this pit in the shoe. Okay, so now you have to choose your AJ or your AJ ideal animation clip, which is going to show the ideal position of your character. So this is the AJ ideal. Here you can see. Now I am going to just click on this and drag into the scene. Here you can see I have my character in this scene. Okay, so now after this you have to create the animator controller. So for this, just right click here, click on this create and choose the animator controller, write the AJ controller. Now you can see that we have the animator controller window here. After this you have to add the animation clips into the animator window. So first I'm going to add this one, AJ idle. So after this you have to add this AJ idle to brass hack animation clip. just drag and drop into this scene and make transition to it. Here, let's go back to this scene. So just press play. Let's see it will work or not, because we make the transition between two clips ideal or ideal to stretched to hang. Here you can see nothing is happening because we have to add the animator controller. Here you can see the AJ controller into the AJ ideal character. So here let's go to the add component, click here the add component and write the animator controller here. So animator. Here you can see in the animator you have the option controller, so you have to just drag and drop this and AJ controller into this controller. Here you can see. So after this, again just press play. Here you can see. So here you can see how our character will jump and hang with the object. You can see that here. And when you click this AJ free hang climb, so you can see how it will go up. You can see. So let's go back to the animator here. When you attach this ideal to raised hand, it means that when we press play, he will hang with this layer of the shoe and try to come out from the pit of the shoe. So again just press play. Here you can see our character will first go into this ideal and then it will go ideal to pressed position, means the hang the object, but the position of the our character is not correct. So first we have to adjust the character position. So just drag the our character z-axis, blue one, and drag it forward side. Here you can see that we have to change our character position at the downside. You can see that then it will look like our character will hang this shoes. You can see the border over here. You can see that. Again just go back and just change its white position, drag at the downside, and again just go back to the animator and add this free hang climb, animation clip, and make transition to it. Now just go back to the scene and again press play. Here you can see our character will come out from the bit of the shoe, but here you can see the position of the our character is not correct. Here you can see in this scene, choose the character back side and rotate it the forward direction a little bit. Again press play. Here you can see our character first in the ideal position, then grab this border of the shoe and come out from the pit of the shoe. Here you can see. Just a little bit more. Again press play. So I guess guys you will understand what I try to tell you. This is the situation where our character will come out from the pitch of the shoe. Here you can see very easily, no coding, no layering, nothing. This is the simple animation for you guys, and if I do any mistake then tell me how we can improve it. And I hope guys you will like my video, and thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial.